Eh, mag-harvest ako ng mga dahon ng ampalaya and kalabasa. Harvesting bitter gourd leaves and squash leaves and flowers. Let's check. Oh, and this is, oh my gosh, it's mature. Okay, let's proceed. Nag-overflow na ang aking kalabasa. Oh, dami. Ang dami. Quick tour tayo, oh. Ang dami, oh. Oh, nag-ano na, mayroong damage. At dito, marami silang bunga. And dahon. Marami tayong i-harvest ngayon. That. Still producing squash. Pero malapit nang mag-fall. Okay, let's get in. This is my garden for the month of September. Marami nang pwede i-harvest. Yan. Ang dami. Mag-harvest muna tayo ng lofa. Look at that. All the squash on the ground. Wow, ready na sila. Ready na talaga. I have a big harvest incoming. Look at that. Ooh, butterfly. That's pretty. Cosmos. At ito ang aking mga lofa. Oh, ang dami. Oh, small. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3. I just harvest the other day and there's more coming. Okay. Oh my gosh. More beans. And tayo dito. Oh, kinain ng bird or insect. Hindi ko na malaya na meron pala dito. Oh, look at that. It's ready. Meron pang isang lofa. Meron pang mga beans. Kunti. Oh. Okay. Ito natin ilagay ang cantaloupe. Okay, yan ang ating harvest dito sa loob. Harvest din ako mamaya ng onion. Ang dami na talaga. Pwede na ma-harvest. Ooh. At meron pang lofa. Yan. Meron pang isa. Okay, meron pa tayo dito. I don't know what is this. Different variety of cantaloupe. And there's more, but I don't know if this one make it. I'm not sure. Okay. Help! It's heavy. So now I need another basket because that is overflowing. And there's more to harvest. There's one eggplant. Oh, look at this. Oh. Pepper. There's more pepper. So I guess I need to harvest later. That. Ooh. There's more pepper. Pepper. And tomato. Oh, look, it is ready. That's a lot. And look at my beans. It's overflowing. Isang puno lang siya. It's very healthy. Only one bean plant. One green beans plant. Ayan. Ito na lang ang ano ko dadalhin. Dito ko lang ilagay. Bukas na lang ulit ako mag-harvest kasi mga pepper lang ang ano ko bukas. Yan ang ating harvest. Okay. Ito na ang ating harvest. Okay, that's all my harvest. Ooh. Okay. Dalhin natin sa table. Okay. Balikan. Okay. That's all my harvest. Harvest for tomorrow because it starts raining again. Okay, yan ang ating harvest. Nilagay ko sa sa tray, hindi sa basket. Yan. Yan ang ating harvest. Okay. Bountiful harvest. Till next time. Next time mag-harvest ako ng dahon ng ampalaya, dahon ng kalabasa, at saka mga peppers. Thank you.